Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Soundcore Sport X10 earbuds, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So let's start. So first of all, you have to put these earbuds into the charging case and you have to leave the case open. Now in the second step on your phone, you have to scroll down and you see this Bluetooth icon. Just press and hold it for open the Bluetooth settings. Now here you can see the Soundcore Sport X10 is connected with this phone. Now what you have to do, you see the settings icon, just select it. So I will just select it. Now here you have more information about these earbuds, connection with the phone. Now at the bottom you see this option of unpair. Just select it. Once you select it here, it will ask you if you want to unpair Soundcore Sport X10. So I just select this unpair from here. Now everything is done from your phone. Now on your earbuds, at the back side of the charging case, you have this pairing button. So you have to press and hold this pairing button for 10 seconds. So I will just press and hold it like this. And in the front, you see these LED lights, they will blink together 3 times after 10 seconds. So I will show you. So now here you can see they blink together 3 times and then you can leave the button. So it means our earbuds are now hard reset. So now you can connect them with the new device or with the same device. So I will show you how you can connect them back. So if you want to connect it with the new device, first of all, you have to close this charging case. Okay, and then you have to open it again by pressing this button. So I will press it and the case is now open. So after doing this step, what you have to do on your phone, you just select this Bluetooth icon, just press and hold it, and here you will see it start scanning, and here you can see the Soundcore Sport X10 is available. Now what you can do is you can just select it. Once you select it, it will ask for the pairing. So here you see pair with Soundcore Sport X10. I select this pair option and then it will start connecting with my phone. And now here you can see the Soundcore Sport X10 is now connected with my phone. So this is how you can hard reset the Soundcore Sport X10 earbuds. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.